Now, the curtains came down on the cheerleading season with the national finals being held at the Wolmer's Boys Auditorium on a Saturday.
It was a full house that turned out to support the young and enthusiastic high flyers, and they were treated to some thrilling displays. In the primary and prep school division, St. Aloysius Primary came out on top ahead of Angels Primary and Rousseau Primary. The high school co-ed segment saw Port Antonio finishing ahead of Titchfield High and Innswood in third place. St. Catherine High led the way in the high school all-girls division, getting the better of Eltham High and Meadowbrook High. The all-star category saw Phoenix Red claiming the top prize, just ahead of Black Lightning and Moon Marshall Eclipse. President of the Jamaica Cheer Federation and a director at Jamfit, Kyrell Jones, was elated that corporate Jamaica was investing in the sport as it continues to grow.
This one is definitely better. We're getting corporate Jamaica involved, and we're really excited that people have come in. GISA now has prep champs, and they want cheerleading a part of prep jam. So we're looking forward to that for next year as well. So this is really just something that's culminating into a fantastic sport that everybody's loving here in Jamaica.
Jones says she's pleased that the sport has evolved to now include basic school children.
I would say it's definitely growing. We started with basic school this morning, so we have the little babies now cheering, so it is definitely growing sport.
The next event on the cheerleading calendar will be the Tertiary and All-Stars Championships on November 27. Garfield Jones reporting for TVJ Sports.